Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this effortless, barely there makeup look, which will make you look fresh and pretty in minutes. Step 1 is skin prep, and for that I'm using the Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen by Dr. Zaid. Make sure to apply 2 fingers worth of sunscreen on your face. Next is BB cream. I'm using the Pond's BB cream in the shade Ivory. It is to even out any areas of unevenness. I use my fingers for a more natural finish. I like to go in with more BB cream on my dark spots to cover them up. You can also use a concealer instead of this. Next up, I'm using the Love Earth Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade In the Change, and I'm going to take it on my finger and warm the product a little bit and then apply it on my cheeks and on my nose a little bit and also on my chin. This gives a very fresh and a flushed, naturally blushing kind of a look, which I really like, and I also like to apply it on tops of my cheeks so that it looks quite natural that way. To tame my eyebrow hair, I'm using the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This is a clear mascara, so it does not have any pigment to it, and my eyebrows are quite naturally tense, so I don't like to fill them on everyday basis, but you can definitely use an eyebrow pencil. After which I curl my eyelashes and coat them up with a lot of mascara. This one is from Swiss Beauty. Moving on, I'm using the K Beauty lip tint in the shade Honey. This is a very pretty peach kind of a shade which looks very beautiful on fair to medium skin tones, and I'm going to apply it all over my lips and let it stay for about a few minutes, and later using a tissue paper I'm just going to blot out all the excess gloss and the excess tint off, and this tint is going to stay on for a really long time now. And this was my very easy peasy, natural, everyday kind of a look. I hope you guys learned something from it or found any products helpful. You'll find them in the description below. And I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like, and I'll see you in the next one.